You're in the real estate industry. You're a real estate agent. You're a part of a brokerage team. Maybe you are a real estate marketer and you're looking for a proven process, whether you're just getting started or you're just simply looking to get unstuck. This video was made specifically for you, and we want to break down step by step what a real estate sales funnel or what a real estate system for marketing looks like. But before we get started, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and comment. Let us know what you love about these videos. And last but not least, tag a friend who could benefit from this value in the real estate industry. There's only one proven framework or approach for this on digital. There may be other methods and approaches using traditional media, using other types of forms of marketing. But when it comes to digital marketing, this process is used time and time again. And we want to get into 5 things you can use or you can integrate right now at no cost to you. Here's the first thing. The first thing is, if I were to hop on a call, the first thing I would go after is your ads. Are you running ads? Are you putting a message that compels and that resonates with people connected on their phones? Why? Because that's where the attention is. We've now, in 2021, the year of this video, it now takes 7 or more times for someone to see your face, see your logo, see your brand in a video before they are compelled to take the first step or action. So your first step, your homework, is set up some ads on your brand. And you can do so on Facebook, you can do so on TikTok, you can do so on LinkedIn, you can do so on YouTube, you can do so on Yelp. There are several channels that you can advertise. Step number 2, you want to set up and leverage a home valuation landing page. What do we mean? Well, if you go to redfin.com, the way that they serve clients is with content to just simply offer to do a free home evaluation. Most people today who own a home, who may be your ideal client, may be interested at the top of the funnel or at the stage of interest, just understanding how much equity they have. What can they get for their home to move to the next? This is a good strategy as the next step or to acquire customers on the internet. The next step you can do is a property search landing page. So this is pretty typical. We often, as a real estate agent or someone in this industry, we like to plug in all the properties that we co-list or that we represent on the marketplace. So the next step you can benefit from is have a property search. Don't let Google serve your audience what that search or what that property will be. Put it on your website so they can have a web experience. The next step is a community guide landing page. Now, with this community guide, what we're saying is, listen, if you are new to the area or if you are in the community and you see some value in this community, you want to know more information about this community, you can simply do what you see here, which is place some type of opt-in plugin to automatically email this once they opt in to your landing page. The next thing you can do is have an exclusive homeover content landing page. So in other words, maybe you know something about the market that most do not know. Maybe you run a brokerage, or maybe you are a real estate investor and you know something that most homeowners do not know about the market, and you want to give it to them, but at the cost of them opting in to your campaign. If you're just sending people to a website and you're not giving away any value, you are hurting yourself in the long run, because people will just simply come to your website, read over the information, and then leave. And that's most that we speak to. Last but not least, have a mobile user experience, a mobile-friendly experience. Guys and ladies, Facebook has recently reported that over 68% of the people who use their app and leave the app and go to a web experience or on a mobile device. So, last but not least, integrate some type of mobile friendly experience. Now, as a value add to this video, before we end, I want to introduce a concept that most of us should start taking advantage of, and that's a marketing automation sequence, where if somebody opts into one of those 5 methods that we just went over, to add a tag using a CRM. And if you do not have a CRM, we can help you with that. But use your CRM to place a tag, add a tag as a web form, and based on that automation or tag web form, you place them into a 24-hour nurture campaign. You place them into a 7-day nurture campaign, and then you place them into a 30-day nurture campaign if no engagement comes from the latter two. You want to engage them like everyone else is. If there's 5 or 10 other agents calling or 5 to 10 other investors contacting them, what makes you different? I believe that 78% of your opportunities in pipeline will come as a result of integrating some type of automation now that you have someone opting in. That's the value we want to leave you with. Now, if you enjoy this lesson and you are stuck, you've tried this process, you've tried these 5 elements, and it's just not working for you, maybe it's worth a discovery call to have a free audit on us to take a look to see where are you getting stuck, where is your system broken. If you're just getting started as a realtor and you just got your license, or maybe you haven't had breakthrough yet in digital marketing, this is a valuable option to just hop on a discovery call, and we will walk you through this process and give you a game plan or checklist on how to implement this in your real estate business.